Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, let me to introduce myself. My name is Sivitra Astuti and I'm primary school teacher education student at Ahmad Dahlan University. And now I will speak in front of you all. Before that, first of all, let's thank to Allah who had given us some mercies and blessing until we still given the opportunity to meet. Second, salawat and salam to always to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought Islam to be more perfect with his sunnah. Thirdly, I'm standing here. I will speak in front of you all about the womb of nation. Are you know what is the womb of nation? The womb of nation is very important to continue the nation struggle. Why? Because as students, we must continue the nation struggle. One of them, by the studying forever. Because by studying, we can be success people, and now we can continue the nation struggle. To begin with the perspective of taking chance to be an educator, is the chosen fight that sometimes is not predictable in our life. However, in fact, teachers give an important role to elevate the nation by concerning capacity building in human resources. This is becoming a fact. Adhering to the air of people in the world, they are the womb of nation. They got people to be more beneficial, more success, and more understand why people live and be chosen to be a winner. Because that we as the young generation, we must really to study to continue the nation struggle in our country. These all are a dedication given by teachers with the deep heart teaching in every opportunity which they have and presented to their well-beloved students. From this, we as the young generation, we must heard the teacher at studying in the class, so we can know what the education to give to our. Thus the nation will be nation if there are teachers sharing education with people, especially young generation. Meaning that the growth of nation is impacted by teacher. It what the Japan did when Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombed by America many years ago. The government of Japan assembled the remaining teachers to educate people who were still alive at that time for moving forward to constructing the great future. On the one hand, in today's technology focused what I believe that teachers are having a right position to level up human resources. Not only will they transfer new knowledge that, but also to give some values presented as a core performance in life. This is function what Umberto Eco said in the book Little, the name of the rose with the Latin nobis in Spectrum. Teachers are such a mirror in our country. Due to the success nation is reflected from the womb. How educators can educate young people to be golden generation. And now the teacher must forever to give the education with the young generation so the young generation can be golden generation. Notwithstanding the concept that written by Ki Hajar Dewantara as the father of education in Indonesia has meaningful philosophy, and Tutpuri Handayani depict the meaning that from behind a teacher must be able to provide encouragement and direction. In summary, as an educator, we do not just play a role, we also give an instant which can be followed by people because we are the enlightener for the future of every age. We make the golden Indonesia happen in the future by the effort of us and union of all of us. That is why I call teacher as the womb of nation. From this we can take the conclusion because teacher is very important to successful the young generation for in the future. Okay, just this my speak. I'm so sorry if there is the as I'm so sorry if the as wrong. I from the speak. I see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.